puppies are at risk of a gastrointestinal infection, coccidiosis, when sniffing around on the ground or close to the feces of other potentially infected dogs. Once ingested, coccidian move to the intestine, where the robust outer wall is dissolved, and 8 banana-shaped so-called sporozoites are released. These sporozoites move to the inner cell layer of the intestinal wall and enter the cells, where an asexual multiplication begins. Within a few days, a huge number of new parasites are released from the dying cells. Each sporozoite enters a new cell where a new multiplication starts, leading again to the death of the cell and the release of many more parasites. This cycle is repeated up to 3 times, with several 100,000 cells destroyed. Due to the rapid and extensive multiplication of the parasite and the destruction of the cells, large areas of the gut wall become inflamed, leading to clinical symptoms such as low appetite, reduced weight gain, diarrhea, and a failure to thrive. After the initial series of asexual multiplications, a second phase of sexual multiplication starts. The parasites invading the cells now transform either to numerous small male forms or to large female forms. After fertilization of the female forms, the parasites are released, leaving a destroyed cell behind. A so-called oocyst is formed and then released from the cell, leaving another destroyed cell behind. This oocyst is covered by a robust outer wall. The oocyst is excreted via the feces into the environment, where another multiplication begins. The transformation into 8 banana-shaped sporozoites, which represents the infective stage for the next dog ingesting the cyst, takes 3 days. In this form, the parasite can remain infectious for several months. Procox stops this cycle. Effective after only a single easy application, Procox has been designed especially for young puppies. The active ingredients of Procox spread in the gut and target every stage of the parasites living in the cells. The parasite stages are destroyed without harming the cell itself. When administered early, Procox not only prevents the clinical signs of the infection, but also reduces the shedding of cysts, thereby reducing transmission of the infection to other dogs. Procox, for the healthy development and growth of dogs.